So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll cover this amazing lab that is Analytics as a Service for Data Sharing Partners. So simply click on Start Lab and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Here we'll cover step by step so that you are able to understand each and everything and complete without any issue. Now just wait for the lab to get started. It will take few minutes. Now if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, just check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now first of all you can see this. Just click on right click over here and open the link incognito window. We are opening the data sharing partner project, right? So here we have to use the same username, that is data sharing only. Paste it, hit enter. Now we have to add the data sharing password and just next. I understand. And finally it is loading, right? So first of all click on I agree, agree and continue, and then let me just change the appearance to light mode. From the search box, we have to just open the BigQuery. So just click on it. Okay. Now from here, come to task number 1. So for task number 1, what we need to do, we have to copy this query, click on the untitled query, paste it and just run it. Okay. Also click on this plus icon, come down over here and run the Authorized B query, this query, second query, right? You have to run separately because we have to save also. So it is completed. Now come back to the first query. From here we have to just save as a view, and for the dataset name, okay. So for the dataset name, just copy this name. This is for A. Okay, carefully watch it. We have to just select the demo dataset and we have to add the table over here. So just copy the table name, right? And just save it. So we have successfully saved the A version of the dataset, means table. Now we have to come to the second query. We have already run it. Okay. Just click on save view, select the demo dataset, and for the table name, they have clearly mentioned this table we have to select. So we have selected it and now it's time to save it. So we have successfully done the first step and we can check the score for the task number 1. Okay. Now we have to assign the permissions. So how we have to assign? So first of all, what you need to do? Okay. Just click on this demo dataset. So once you have clicked on demo dataset, click on the share and just click on authorize views. Now come back to the lab instruction again. From here, just carefully copy it from here to here, paste it and just select the first one. Click on add authorization. Once it is listed over here, come back again and just copy the second authorization. Replace it. Select B from the drop down and just click on add authorization. Once you see both are added, just close it. Come back over here and you can simply check the score for this particular task. Okay, so it's taking time. So this task takes time to update. You can wait for some more time. Now we have to grant access to each customer A and B. So now come to the task number 3. Okay. So from here, just click on the first authorize view. Okay. And then just click on this, share, manage permissions. Wait for it to load. Click on add principal. And here we have to add this email, that is the student email, and add a role, that is BigQuery data viewer. So BigQuery is here. You can type it also, there is not an issue. BigQuery data viewer. Okay. Cross verify, all things are correct. Now just save it. Now click on the B, authorize view B. You can also click on these 3 dots, share, manage permissions. And after that, we have to again repeat the same process. But here, carefully update it. Okay. Here we have to add this user email. And the role will be same, that is BigQuery data viewer. So you can type it also, So here you can see data viewer is here. Like this also you can select it and save it. So we have successfully added the permission. It may take time to update. So let's see the score. So do not worry, it will take time because we have recently completed this step and it may take few minutes to update. So just keep hitting check my progress. Yes, we got the score. Now what we have to do, we have to simply close this console. Okay, just close it so that no conflict is created. Now you can see project A console. Just right click over here and open the link incognito window. Now here we have to sign in with the project A username and password. So just copy it. Make sure you are copying correctly. Next, I understand. Now again, I agree and continue. And from here, we have to open the BigQuery. So just, you can type it also if it is not visible. BigQuery. Okay, so just click on it. Now from here, just click on the untitled query. Come back to the lab instruction. From here, just copy this query and paste it and simply run it. So finally, the output is generated. Now in the next step, what we have to do, we have to simply save it to the data set. So how to save it? You have to simply click on this save view, select the dataset from here, customer A, and just save it to the table. So the first thing has been successfully done. Now we have to just open the Looker Studio. So it will open like this. If it is not opening, you can just sign in with your skills account, means the same customer A console account. Okay. So just click on blank report and select your country. You can select any country. Okay. And name any company and just continue and just click on yes to all. And if your screen size is small, sometimes what happens, continue won't be shown over here. So you need to zoom out using, just zoom out the screen. Okay. And just click on continue. Now click on blank report. Now wait for a few seconds. So once you have clicked on blank report, you have to click on BigQuery and just authorize yourself. Select the student ID. And from here, you can see your project ID is here. Just click on it. Click on this data set and just add the A table and just click on add and add to report. Wait for the pop-up to come. So yes, add to report. Now what you have to do, okay, what you have to do, scroll down a bit and just check the score for this particular task. So you got the score. Now just close this page. Now open the customer B console incognito window and repeat the same step. Use the username over here. Add the password also. I understand. And again, we have to open the BigQuery. Okay, so please follow till the end and make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. And all the solutions are already uploaded on the channel, so make sure to check it out. Click on BigQuery. Just type BigQuery if it is not visible. Okay, so let me just change the appearance to light mode. Just click on the untitled query. Copy this query, paste it, and just run it. Now just click on save view, select the dataset, it's P, and then we have to just add the table name and just simply save it. Once it is successfully saved, it will look like this. Now again, we have to open the Looker Studio. Make sure you are repeating the same step, whatever I am doing in the lab, so that you are not getting any error. Now blank report, select your country. By the way, you can select any country, there is not any issue. Just click on continue. Yes to all, continue. Click on blank report. Now from here we have to select BigQuery. Again, authorize yourself. Select it. Now from here just select your project ID, bdataset and the table name which we have just now created. And just click on add to report. So just add to report. It will take few seconds. Just click on add to report. Now come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And this is the way we have to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.